everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Putu Suci Ningsih. My students registration number is 191202144. So today I would like to give um, reflection on session 1 until session 8 in the scientific writing subject. So it is include the three things I have learned, two things that my brain to implement in my class, and one thing that I still need to improve. For the first is three things that I have to learn. Well, for the first, I have learned about how to paraphrase and cite correctly to avoid plagiarism. The way to avoid plagiarism is also by being able to do summarizing, which is to describe the main topic of with the purpose of making it more clear and more detailed. In doing this summarizing, we can use scanning and skimming techniques for a quick summary process. Last is the style of reference is also very important in scientific writing. So the reference style commonly used at the university level is we use the APA style for the bibliography or references. And the next is the systematic of making articles, which is in the abstract. For the first in abstract. So in abstract, we need to put the general of the systematic, such as introduction, method, result, or etc. And of making articles also in the introduction part, we need to find gaps. So there are several reference tools to find gaps and theory, namely used by using the Open Knowledge Map, Research Rabbit, Google Scholar, and so on. In addition, in this introduction section explaining the condition and problems of a topic is also an important thing that is useful for directing the reader, for directing readers to about the topic that we are discussing. And the last one is I have learned about the systematic of literature review. So in this literature review, we need to make literature review matrix first. So it help us to find many resources, and the theory that have um, I have find in the other article. So we compile this in literature review matrix. Also in this literature review section, we must explain the theories that related to our topic that we discuss. So the purpose of these theories is to strengthen and clarify about our topic. And the next is two things that my plan to implement in my class. So I have a plan to able to be revise my articles. I mean, to give more resources from other articles by using open knowledge maps or research rabbit or Google Scholar and so on. The next is I have planned to make empirical review that comes from previous studies that related my topic. And the last one is one thing that I still need to improve. So one thing that I still need to improve is I have to read more and more again from previous research or other resources about whether it is about the previous studies or many theories that art can strengthen my topic that I discussed in this article. Well, that's all about my reflection on the section 1 until section 8. Thank you and have a nice day.